Peace everybody, welcome to another quick reflection on the Qur'an. Today we are looking at chapter 51, verse number 46. Okay, so Allah says, وَقَوْمَ نُوحٍ مِّن قَبْلُ, and the people of Noah before that. Now the context here is that the 2-3 verses beforehand are talking about how the tribes of Pharaoh, of Ad, and of Thamud were all destroyed because of their evil actions. So Allah is saying that the people of Nuh were also destroyed. And then He explains why. إِنَّهُمْ كَانُوا قَوْمًا, indeed they were a people, FAASIQEEN, they were fasiq. Now FAASIQEEN or fasiq is described in detail in the Qur'an. And we might do a separate study session, a detailed session, as to how the Qur'an defines FAASIQEEN and the results of that. But Allah is saying they were fasiq and they were destroyed. So there were 3 things that I think we should be taking into account with this, or lessons. Number 1, firstly, we should personally assess ourselves, make sure we are not one of the fasiqeen, clearly. Okay? So we need to understand the definition of this per the Qur'an. Secondly, we need to look through the Qur'an and understand the case of the people of Nuh. What were they doing? What state were they in? Because what we need to assess is the community or the world that we're living in, is that similar to the people of Nuh? And therefore, are we getting close to destruction? Because this world, we can argue, is in disarray. But the question is it falling within this band? Fasiqeen. So that's really important. And the third thing is, we need to consider what actions can we take to make sure that the communities that we live in are not falling into this band. So it's quite a lot for us to think about to avoid destruction. Have a good day. Peace.